The Vivo X200 Pro isn't just another flagship smartphone. It's a powerhouse of innovation redefining what we expect from mobile technology in 2025. From its stunning design to its industry-leading camera setup and seamless performance, this device truly stands out in a crowded market. Is it the perfect smartphone for you? Explore everything the Vivo X200 Pro has to offer, from its jaw-dropping camera capabilities to its gaming performance, and find out if it lives up to the hype. From the moment I unboxed the Vivo X200 Pro, it was clear this phone was designed to impress. The titanium gray finish exudes premium vibes, and the build quality is top-notch. It's durable with an IP68 and IP69 rating, which means it's water-resistant and dust-resistant. The design is more refined this year, with the removal of excessive text on the back, giving it a much cleaner look. The phone is thinner, but still feels sturdy in hand, though I did notice that the weight distribution is slightly off, likely due to the massive camera module. Speaking of which, that camera bump is not subtle. It screams, "I'm here to dominate photography." On the front, you get a 1.5K LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. Whether you're outdoors on a sunny day or watching Netflix in a dark room, the viewing experience is seamless. It also supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, so movie buffs rejoice. But let's not forget the most exciting part, the camera. Vivo has packed some serious firepower here, and trust me, it's worth the hype. I'll dive deeper into the specs and photo samples in just a bit, so stay tuned. The Vivo X200 Pro is being hailed as the best camera phone of 2025. At the heart of its photographic prowess is an advanced triple-camera setup designed to impress even the most demanding photography enthusiasts. The primary sensor is a 50MP Sony LYT-818, a powerhouse that excels in capturing sharp, vibrant images with stunning detail. This sensor is complemented by a 50MP ultra-wide lens, which ensures your group shots, landscapes, and architectural captures are nothing short of spectacular, bringing more into the frame without any noticeable distortion. But the real star of the show is the 200MP Samsung HP9 periscope lens, boasting a 3.7x optical zoom and a jaw-dropping 100x hyper zoom. This combination enables you to capture faraway subjects with incredible clarity and precision. One of the standout features of the main sensor is its large aperture, which allows it to absorb significantly more light. This makes it a champion for low-light photography, delivering sharp, noise-free images even in challenging lighting conditions. During my tests, I clicked over 1,000 photos in various settings, daylight, dimly lit rooms, and even nighttime cityscapes, and the results were consistently breathtaking. The level of detail, vibrant colors, and crisp textures made every shot a masterpiece. Whether you're a professional photographer or someone who simply loves snapping pictures, the Vivo X200 Pro promises a camera experience that sets a new benchmark for smartphones. Let's talk about the Vivo X200 Pro's performance in low light and daytime photography. Early one morning, I snapped a photo on my dining room table under dim lighting. The result? Absolutely stunning. The details, the colors, the sharpness were all spot on, with no graininess or overprocessing to ruin the natural look. The larger aperture of the main sensor truly shines, ensuring every low light shot is crisp and vibrant without losing its authenticity. Now shift to daylight photography, and the Vivo X200 Pro truly excels. I tested it at the airport, capturing various scenes, and the results were remarkable. The color balance was natural yet vibrant, and the photos had just the right amount of punch. Best of all, the images come out insta-ready, without the need for filters, just pure perfection. When it comes to portraits, the Vivo X200 Pro sets the bar high. Its edge detection is phenomenal, accurately capturing even the tiniest strands of hair for professional-level bokeh effects. Thanks to the Zeiss Natural Mode, portraits look stunning yet natural, avoiding the overprocessed feel many phones tend to produce. What's even more exciting is the ability to shoot 135mm portraits without having to reposition yourself, perfect for adding a touch of elegance and focus to your shots. Selfies, on the other hand, are no less impressive. The front camera on the Vivo X200 Pro delivers exceptional detail and lifelike skin tones. Whether it's a casual selfie or a photo for your social media, the results are sharp, vibrant, and flattering. The level of detail is so remarkable that you can even notice your skin's fine texture. If you're a fan of capturing moments with clarity and style, this phone won't disappoint. The zoom capabilities of the Vivo X200 Pro are nothing short of extraordinary. I tested it during a live event, capturing a video from the very back of the hall. Even when zoomed all the way in, the details remain crystal clear, with no pixelation or loss of quality. This is thanks to the impressive 3.7 times optical zoom and 100 times hyper zoom, which make long-distance shots not only possible, but stunningly detailed. As for the macro shots, the Vivo X200 Pro takes things to a whole new level. I tested it on something as small as the disc brakes of a toy car, and the results were jaw-dropping. Every minute texture, every minute detail was captured with such precision that it felt like peering through a magnifying glass. From the intricate patterns to the subtle textures invisible to the naked eye, the macro mode truly sets a new benchmark for mobile photography. Videos on the Vivo X200 Pro are equally impressive. You can record up to 4K at 120 frames per second with the rear cameras and 4K at 60 frames with all cameras. Plus, there's an option to shoot in 4K 60 high-res log video, making it perfect for content creators. The stabilization is phenomenal, even when I recorded a video while walking over speed bumps. Moving on to performance. The Vivo X200 Pro is powered by the latest Dimensity 9400 chipset, paired with 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 gigs UFS 4.0 storage. This hardware combo ensures lightning-fast speeds, whether you're into gaming, multitasking, or editing those high-res photos. In benchmarks, the phone scored an impressive 2.5 million on Antutu and delivered solid results on Geekbench. While the GPU performance has seen a huge improvement, there's some room for better stability during intense gaming. The gaming experience on the Vivo X200 Pro is top-notch. I tested it with BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile, cranking up all the settings to the highest levels, and the gameplay was buttery smooth. Frame rates were stable throughout, with no lag, no stuttering, even in intense battles. What's even better is how well the phone handles heat. Even after extended gaming sessions, the temperature never crossed 40 degrees Celsius, making it comfortable for prolonged use. However, there's a small hiccup for COD Warzone enthusiasts. The game didn't support peak graphics settings, which was a slight letdown for me. Despite that, the overall gaming performance of the Vivo X200 Pro is stellar, delivering an immersive and enjoyable experience. Battery life is another area where Vivo has made significant improvements. The phone packs a 6,000 mAh battery, which easily lasted me a full day of heavy usage. And by heavy, I mean lots of photography, video recording, gaming, and movie watching. Charging is handled by a 90W fast charger, which takes the phone from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes. While this is slightly slower than the 120W charger from last year, the bigger battery makes up for it. The Vivo X200 Pro runs on FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15. Vivo promises 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, so you're covered for the long haul. FunTouch OS has seen some upgrades too. The animations are smoother, and the AI features like Circle to Search and AI Erase are genuinely useful. However, there's still some bloatware, but thankfully you can uninstall most of it. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is a welcome addition this year. It's faster and more reliable than the previous optical scanner. On the connectivity front, the Vivo X200 Pro supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring you're future-proofed. So, is the Vivo X200 Pro the best camera phone of 2025? I'd say yes, and here's why. It's consistent, effortless, and excels in every scenario. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who just wants a reliable flagship, this phone checks all the boxes. From its stunning cameras to its solid performance and improved battery life, the Vivo X200 Pro is the complete package. And honestly, I'm keeping this one as my daily driver. What are your thoughts? Would you consider the Vivo X200 Pro as your next phone? Let me know in the comments below.